Okay, once again, I'm kind of starting the video late after I've already started the repair. As you can see, there's a couple parts from there. What I am fixing today is the fridge. Also fixing the freezer door. So the freezer door had, would always just pop open and wouldn't close. And it's because the plastic pieces that go in the fridge are broken. So these here are the broken pieces. As you can see, the spring can't really do anything if it's broken. If you can see that hole right there, that's where the plastic piece goes to hold the freezer door spring mechanism. It's a torsion spring that springs it back. But if it's broken and the spring has no resistance, it's not going to do jack. You can get new ones. You can get new anything, I guess. They are about 30 bucks a piece. But since I have a 3D printer, and lo and behold, there's a file already made. So I'm going to print 2 new ones of these in PETG plastic and pop them in, and we should be good to go. Here you have the broken parts that came out, the little pieces, and the 3D printed part. The door stays closed. You can open it, and it stays closed.